Hello, welcome back to my channel, our channel. Thank you for sliding in and into this video. I bring you something different, something entirely different from what you've been seeing on this channel. And I want to announce that series which is starting right now, and the series is based on virtual assistant. So in 2023, if you are looking forward to become a virtual assistant, then this channel is right for you. This series is right for you because I'm going to be dropping a whole lot about being a virtual assistant in 2023. If this is your first time in this channel, thank you for coming, and don't forget to click the subscribe button. And if you find this video interesting, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're a return subscriber, thank you for staying by. Thank you so much. So in today's video, so you may be wondering what is virtual assistance. Is the word new to you? Where simple is a person who help an organization who work remotely from home. And being a virtual assistant, there are two ways you can be a virtual assistant. Is either you work remotely or you work as a freelancer. Now the two difference between the two is that if you are working remotely, you are working from home, you're actually working for a company, and a company that employs you and pay you salaries on monthly basis or weekly basis, and you don't have the right to work for another person, because the same thing, the same hour spent in office in an organization is the same hour you are going to be dedicating for the person. Also, you enjoy benefits like insurance, healthcare, every benefit a 9 to 5 job workers get in the company. You also enjoy it, just that you work from the difference is just that you work remotely, you work from home, you work from the office without going to the place, and you can work all across the world. Why a freelancer is a person who collects tasks, projects from different people from different organizations, and then charge them based on the project. It will be per hourly rate or per week or per project. These ones you don't have them into so as how many people you can work with at a go. So far you can do it. That is what virtual assistance is, and that is ways you can become a virtual assistant. Now, being a virtual assistant, you may be wondering, there are so many things that are positive side to it and also negative side. There's no way there will be a positive that there won't be a negative. So how do you get to protect yourself as a virtual assistant? You may be thinking, oh, what if people did not pay me after I've worked for them? How can I reach them? How can I solve that issue? That is why there's what is called virtual assistant agreement or contract. Virtual assistant contract is a legal-based contract in which you, the VA, and your client will sign. The aspect about will sign before the job or the project. Now that you know what a virtual assistant is and two ways of being a virtual assistant, in my next video I'm going to dive deep into what this virtual assistant contract is, to guide you and more about what you need to become a virtual assistant. Till my next video, stay blessed and stay safe. Bye.